Been too afraid to share my fears with you. Although I know there ain't no safer place than here with you, my love. I've kept them locked up and stored away.
Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hills Workshop. Today we're going to start on my most anticipated part of this treehouse build. I'm going to attempt to make the spiral staircase today. I don't know how far I'll get. I don't know what problems I'm going to run into. I've spent a lot of time thinking about how I'm going to attack this, and I'm still not 100% sure. So sit back, watch, enjoy, make fun of me, whatever. Tell me how you do it better, but let's get it built.
Honey, I'm just so afraid. Break the lock on the door if I won't let you in. Shattering glass on the floor just to show me when.
So I kind of drawn out here what my plan is to do with this 6x6. This square right here represents a cross section if you have the end of this 6x6. It'll basically give me half of a dodecagon, and this will give me 7 surfaces to put steps on, which will give me a half spiral and then another half spiral on top of that. So basically, instead of spiraling all the way up to the second story, you'll half spiral up to a platform and then half spiral up again. So each one of these 1.5-inch flats represents where one of the steps will come out. So I'm going to lay this out on the 6x6, see if I can't cut it out, and then get it up in place.
Let me stay in my head, 'cause I've been hidden away unwilling and unknown for so long now. Promise me you won't turn away, don't put it off for another day. Honey, don't let me stay in my head alone. Too afraid to share my fears with you. Although I know there ain't no safer place than here with you, my love. With a piece in my hand and bloodshot eyes, I walked to the water for a last goodbye. He begged so much, it clouded my mind. One thing's clear, the man's gotta die. Might makes right, so he said, when he held all the keys over our head. I lived in that grip, but now he'll learn at the end with the tables turned. Lord, forgive me and take me on down the river where the guilt can't find a red-handed sinner. On where the grave can't cry out, 'cause I done wrong. Down the river with a hand on a Colt and a finger on the trigger, and before dawn they try to find me. So take me on down. Take me on down. Well, I sank that body by the riverbank, caught a boat sap, took off like a hurricane. With spotlights, dogs, yeah, the whole 9 yards of breathing down my neck and breathing hard. 2 weeks in a wild chase across the highways, mountains, over 7 states. Found a man at the harbor, said that he could take me across the ocean somewhere far away. Lord, forgive me and take me